Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I will show you how you can make your CV from your phone. So first you have to search Resume Maker on Play Store and then you can find several apps are there. So I have installed this app. So to create your CV, first you have to click on this option create. And then you can see several sections will appear. So first you have to click on this personal details. So first you have to give your name, and then you have to give your address, and then you have to give your email address here, and then you have to give your phone number, and then you have to upload a picture of yours. And then you have to click here, so you can see that your picture is uploaded here. And if you want to add more sections, you can add here, like date of birth, nationality, marital status, and if you want to add any link here, you can add. So I'm not adding any link. So after that you have to click here on this save option. So after that your personal details will be saved. Then you have to give your education details. So for that you have to click here. So you have to click on this add option. You have to give your course name and school or university name and your grades. And the year you have passed, you have to give that here. And if you want to add more sections, you have to click here. Sorry. So after that you have to click on this save option. And if you have any experience, you can add your experience. You can add your skills. For example, you can add like this. So after that you have to click here on this save option, and if you want to write any objective you have to click here. You can add your objective from here, or you will be able to select the objective from here also. So I am selecting this, and after that you have to click on this save option. And if you want to uh, rearrange your sections, you can rearrange it by clicking here. So I am not doing so. So after that you have to click here on this option, view CV. So you can find several templates here. You have to choose one. I am selecting this. You can see here that now your CV is ready. You can check it. You have to click here on this zoom option, and you can check it. So now your CV is okay. So you have to click on this option, download. So now your CV is complete. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.